tongue. Okay, so everybody is there. Don't worry. Actually, these devils are planning so many things to spoil you, devastate you forever. That's the thing actually. And I got a 100% clarity. This. They will hijack everything, all the election balls, these all things. They will actually this we could have done earlier. They will turn because the strong plan only they are doing, and this Shashi Tharoor wanted to be Shashi Tharoor only playing against me. These all things yesterday, some Malayali people they told me clearly these all things. These are our agents only because now they have so many setups over there, and there are many Malayali people. So many people were supporting, and they are being manipulated, and they are under fear and offers everything because where the power, that's what everybody is desperate. But one thing is 100% sure that what is that girl Matana, that is a disaster for you, and have some common sense to understand the people, and actually what you found in that culture, that is a it will be I feel like sympathy to you to chuck this kind of a culture, that much culture. See, these fellows are desperately waiting to spoil you, so they will never do good to, never do something that will happen good to you. That you need to understand first there. Even the Ashok Gehlot, this many years they wanted to spoil you, everybody. These all the Congress leaders, everybody wanted to desperately to spoil you. Their languages, I should record what they are telling, and I should show. At that time you will understand that their comments, these all the way I was telling against you people now, that much I was tolerating from August onwards, that much bad they were telling about you and your mother to me. Okay, that you need to understand that. Not only to their Gandhi family members, they were telling that you people have done so many frauds, these all things, and there is no, you people have no truth and the straightforward things, and people are cunning jalus, playing will, like there are so many things they were telling. So that only it came out because when you started play with the, actually I know that out of your fear only, when that Farid and all screwing up, and at that time only you started play, you are getting attracted to on the path. Actually, see, first understood there is a truth, and that only will last, and nothing will this attraction, this nothing, and this is actually clear cut strategy. They desperately wanted to make you get married to that, to block this completely. Then this bastard that Kachara criminal, what Rajikumar Kachara, that I ate a Delhi student, that today morning he was removing his underwear, even understanding Kachara from street. That initially itself I understood that bastard is like something. Actually previously there were nice two boys, they were studious boys. These fellows who threatened them, and after that this came. This is a drug addict bastard, and every night I know that these fellows, some girls also used to come over here and frost. And these bastards, and they are clearly planning something. That's what wherever I am going, behind me will coming at straight to some drug addict bastard. This is what their indication plan. So you are the one. Actually, why are you getting afraid? I told everything you can tell public, and you yourself only putting your overplay only. You actually nicely, how nicely like this Congress alone could have won. And because of your ego and your attitude and overplaying things. When I am telling that you will not trust, and that is like that, your Congress leaders also that these doubles. So that's the reason. Fundamentally, our activities that only will come back to us. And each fellows are thinking that when I'm going to see, when after reading your message, so I used to feel that I have to no other way. That's why ICC, they will, the security will block, and the leaders won't talk. That's the reason I had to depend, and I used to the Kerala temple and this all. If I'm going and talking to this fellow, I don't have any other alternative. I am in the street like that, and all these fellows are thinking that, and actually then these fellows are putting stories also. This is what. When because of this, I wanted to make sure the larger vision. I don't want to get distracted with this kind of silly fellows attitudes. That is the reason I'm again trying to convince, and not because of that something that you chucking or desperately. It's not like that, because see, I told you previously itself, because of you fellows attitude only I am getting disappointed. That's the reason I will keep quiet, and then again after that I can understand what these fellows are tough. See, I told clearly what these fellows will domination planet. See, now every proofs are coming, right? See, this is what I am telling. See, now this election polls also, these fellows mostly they will turn. That's the way they will hijack. I know that, because then otherwise also, if this government is forming also, a coalition government is forming also, that is not going to last. Also for the some one period, 1 year, this political insecurity will be there. So that's what I am telling, that don't worry about, don't bother about anything. We can start with the straight action plans are there. We can execute it systematically without any dependency, any alliance. We can form a stable government. So believe that, at least have some others. See, there is a truth in this, Shivji, right? So you went together. These all things, for what purpose we get for showing this kind of sucking with this kind of matana kind of culture. See, you do not know what is called Kalachi and this kind of culture. What if I get attraction in that culture of politics? On the spot, this market of culture has to be killed anyway. These Malayali gangs are got the time jealous of what purpose he should get jealous in this kind of culture. And there should be some quality in terms of education or in terms of beauty or in terms of some personality or something. There should be there. There is a market later. Speech and all these fellows and there should actually these fellows thinking I am just talking only. And actually this Kerala temple that Somla he used to make many comments. That's out of this frustration only I was coming, and actually these fellows will sit and analyze their level only there, because they don't have the higher technical perspective or nothing. They with their level only, because he is having a good mindset, good person. He wanted to help like that and that. But these fellows they trap and everybody is ultimately greedy. That's the only thing. And all the leaders also, then way to blame him. So at the time these fellows will make some comments based upon this, because they are telling that I am just blabbering only and not doing anything. And see, whenever you are messaging or everything, I am coming there. These fellows are actually, none of these fellows are not knowing the reality of the situation, how much critical these fellows are blocking, how much level of their network. So you don't get afraid with that you are escaping peace and this is the attitude only creating all the problem. Even though we had all plenty of options, everything, and that is only making the worsening. And now these fellows, I know that they will put so many cases on the threat, and that is what actually that Subramania Swamy, he is also number one player only. He is not having any confidence or courage, and he will play against everybody to loot, to keep be in the limelight and to grab. That's the only thing his attitude. I understood that. So that sort of that citizenship will go and nothing. This is not something that Modi's father's kingdom. Okay, so big, stable, cool, and see. Nobody will be able to save you, and once this is what their purposeful intention that they are putting, and they know that you will get afraid and all. So be stable, and at least Sonia ji and Priyanka ji, you people have common sense, right? So just have some. These all fellows are planning to. Their hidden intention is to devastate the Gandhi family. That's the only thing. None of them is for there to support your employer, nothing. So as long as this will be going, and they will keep on boring BJP, and this play only will going to happen. So be stubborn, and I know that because so much of attitude, everything was there. Also this IIT lobby desperately want to hide this, because Professor Pushpak and then Abhishek's play, they are also playing. Everybody wanted to hide this all to get rid of their life there. So for that only, they are trying to block this much. Not enough them are doing for your good. See, just believe that. What universal assignment? What was that? That's the only thing. And I know that I don't know whether these fellows fixed the marriage date and invited and you would booked her, and let them everybody. These all anybody can go and get married to this kind of a culture. She kind of a culture has to be good. Actually, she should be burned alive in that kind of a culture, dangerous venom. You need to understand that. I don't have any jealous or anything in that. I feel sympathy to you, because again because of me only you are getting into trap. That's the only thing that you need to understand that. So be stable, and there nobody will eat you. Okay, you have all the support, everything, but don't get your ego and attitude only. If somebody putting some controversy, you will think that you are the superstar. You are not the superstar. And just do a Google and search. At that time I will understand the reports and analysis, because how nicely we could have done the campaign because of your attitudes and these all fellows' attitude. These all things only I'm getting. I know that out of your fear only you are blindly believing them and all that and all that. But see how many times they have kept it trapped from initially onwards. Cross check. Everything was trapped, right? Lie only, right? So then why are you still believing in that? And don't think for some temporary comfort zone. You will be thinking that getting enjoyment. That is actually for the life. Actually, we have reached already almost 95%. Then for temporary something just going on, nothing. And so be stable and be steady. Nobody will eat anything. Okay, so. At least think that way they have to block this much, so they are afraid of something, right? So that's the thing, and stay there, and we can form a stable government in anyhow. Actually, that should be in the truthful, and I will not let you. That's the reason I was blocking, because I know that your character and you will be easily vulnerable, and these fellows will put you in the traps, and that will be spoiling the nation and all. That's the reason I was trying to block, because create awareness. I was still. It is not for over controlling it, nothing. It's for the truthful way it should go. That's the thing I wanted to be. That's the reason. Okay. So there is a way. Actually, this fellows will put, see, Modi also competed in two places. There are many ways, and don't worry, everything have a solution. So don't get afraid. Okay. See, everything, don't eat little, but Shashi Tharoor, everybody is desperately wanted to, because then this fellows will put Sachin Pilot. This all thing is to yield, make you yield into vulnerable. That's what for the sexual trap and modernizer. Kachara Putana, that Mantara, that is what this Montana, that you need to understand. She's a cunning crowd, and I know that she might be calling you 24 bars 7 and to eject out of that is actually. This is what I was telling. Some street prostitutes, they will be very, very good quality people. Okay, so that you need to understand that. Anyway, I know that I have told against you and your mother, everybody. That's the situations because of your messages only I had to react like that. Okay, so you need to understand that. So be stable, and nobody will do anything and everything. Even if winning or tomorrow the result will come, everybody will come and boost these all things there. So even the positive or negative, there is a way. Anyway, whatever thing, even if the result is positive and negative, also that government is not a stable government. It is not going to last. Either in the BJP's case also, Congress case also. So that is for sure. So believe that, and there is a clear-cut way to come out from this. And so don't show the greediness, and this leader is also like that. So be stable, be humble. There is a way, and we can work it out again. Until they can do this kind of culture frauds, oral fraud, and they are actually these Malayali, when I told them they go to furious, and this Narayana also controlling everybody, and then manipulated, screwed up everybody. That's what the Somlal uncle and everybody I understood. So minister then they came to Dharana means ideology, not came to an agreement, and it spread massively that I am until like that too. Then this they thought, okay, so we'll go and what? Shashi Tharoor. Actually, Shashi Tharoor is not educated. Educated means he have some PhD degree that and in the normal stream, what in literature or something only. So that people cannot understand this is there is a difference between the technical, and this is the same thing I was telling about the Jairam Ramesh also. Even though he is having PhD, this all MIT, these all things are there. That is economics. He is not in PhD, right? Yeah, something. Whatever it may be. See, that is the thing. There is a difference in the technical. This is the technical that you people know, the perspective and the views, that all that is matters. And these kind of educated fellows, they will not understand the difference, and they will be in the then I was thinking that I was telling about my sister, and actually see, because of these fellows screwing up and the threat only, see, now you people are knowing that how much level this is, the way this double is screwing up and culture and genetically. That's what I'm telling. Some third class threat street to born family that normal people will not do, quality people will not do, like screwing up others and this spreading lies and fake stories. Like this is third class fellows and putting sexual traps, and that is their family business. They are extending in diverse ways. That's the only thing. So don't yield it to the traps. Okay, so everything have solution, and even whatever the cases they are putting, don't worry in this world. So don't worry, be stable, and I have much more higher plans, and actually I am wasting my time, and I am trying to convince. Means, see, this is a critical period. I wanted to convey something. That's the reason, and don't think that it is my inability or anything in that. And see, there is a purpose. I told you clearly. There is no assistance without you. See, our assignment, where universe is assigned, where all of your emotions, everything got reflected in me, and this. There is a purpose. The universe knows that our situation, and this is what I was telling. I cannot get married to anybody else. You also cannot get married to anybody else, because through that people, these fellows will spoil. That's the thing. That's what our connection, and that's the reason universe made us connected. So believe in that, and have some responsibility in that. And anyway, you are 53-year-old man, right? So just be stable, okay? Be there, and we can solve everything, and be solved. So whenever we will get chances, we should use that. Okay, bye. So I'm planning something. Okay.